Margarita Yara here. If you're new to this channel, do not forget to hit the red button and the bell just right beside the red button. And guys, today I'm here with another video, a DIY transformation from myself to Wabosha's look. So I'm going to drop a photo of me in the outfit and the hair, the outfit. And the outcome of my transformation from the previous outfit, it is at I want to transform this turtleneck top to an off-shoulder top to match with her top that is an off-shoulder top, maroon one, and my jeans trouser, my jeans to a denim skirt. Stay tuned and I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I was able to pull the look. Guys, tell me down below in the comments below if I was able to pull the look. Who do not know who Wabosha is, she's a young African beauty and makeup artist. She's a blogger. She has a YouTube channel. Her name is Wabosha Maxine. I'm gonna drop her link right below. And so guys, she inspires me so much. That is why I decided to take this look, and I hope I pulled it. So this is what I actually need for my denim skirt: a needle and thread, a few buttons, a pair of scissors, sticking strap, and an iron box. So guys, and of course a jeans. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video.
Kwa gani nilikana mtu mwingine ameweka